In a realm where shadows dance with deceit, tales of dark plots, betrayals, and deadly conspiracies weave through the corridors of time, creating a narrative where trust is a rare currency and fate hangs by a thread. As empires rise and fall, powerful leaders conspire in the shadows, plotting treachery against each other while unsuspecting allies fall victim to the very trust they hold dear. Each betrayal sets off a chain reaction echoing through history, leaving scars that reshape loyalties and ignite fierce conflicts amongst those once considered comrades. In a world where time itself can unravel secrets, the clock ticks towards a climax where alliances crumble, revealing the true motives lurking beneath the surface of every interaction. Amidst the flickering candlelight, whispers of betrayal echo through the tavern where every word could seal one's fate and trust becomes the most dangerous game of all. In clandestine meetings behind closed doors, ambitions collide and deadly pacts are forged, each decision a carefully planned step in a dangerous dance that could change the course of history. As the first light of dawn breaks through the fog, the hidden truths from the journal compel a confrontation serving as a bridge between the past and future, where the lines of betrayal blur and revelations await. In the heart of darkness, two figures grapple with the weight of betrayal, their fates intertwined as the boundaries between vengeance and justice begin to dissolve. As accusations fly and truths come to light, the fragile veneer of trust shatters, revealing the complexity of human emotion and the profound consequences of betrayal that ripples through their lives. With a turbulent storm brewing outside, the decision looms heavy. The choice between vengeance and forgiveness hangs in the balance, setting the stage for an uncertain future forged in the aftermath of betrayal. In a moment of liberation, the past is set adrift, severing ties with betrayal, while the promise of new beginnings beckons from the horizon, reminding us that trust can be rebuilt even from the ashes of deceit.